This is Austin with Onewheel Parts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the lightning rails. So the first thing we're going to do is disassemble this board fully. Take off that front back foot pad, front and back bumper, as well as both of the rails. To take the rails off, there's going to be 4 screws holding in the controller and the battery box. Go along one side of the rail, unscrew the 4 on the top, and just pull that rail right off. It also helps a lot if you unplug the motor from the controller when doing this. Don't forget to take the clip off the bottom of the axle carrier. Now that your board's fully disassembled, let's throw them lightning rails on. I like to start on the side that has the cable connecting the battery and the controller together. Start by screwing in the 2 screws for the battery box, and then pulling that cable and controller until you can get the other screws to be seated. It does pull that cable quite tight. We got Jeff coming in here holding that controller box for me while I get those screws started. Once you get that side of the rail on, flip it on over and throw the other one on. The next part's a little bit tricky. When putting the motor back in between the rails, sometimes it can be a little tight. What I like to do is unscrew the rails from the controller part. Just take those 2 screws out and sort of pull the rail a little bit out. That way it gives the motor some extra clearance to slide in between its seat. Put the rest of the board together, throw on some fresh Ignite foam grip tape, and sheesh, that board looking good. Be ready to crush some Strava times with this one. This has been Austin with Onewheel Parts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.